I'm doing this vlog because I want to share my experiences with you, which have been life-changing for me. I've been to places that I've never been before. I've seen things which I've never seen before, and I've been to places which have been like unearthly. You won't believe that places like these exist, or they are real. They are too good to be real. I don't know. But I want to share all these with you in my vlog, and that is the reason I'm doing this. Let's get this started. This was the best place I've ever been to.
So where you come from today?
Oslo.
Oh, you start in Oslo today?
Yeah.
On this island here, there's many islands connected to each other. So this one is the biggest and the biggest population. So the main street is there in to ride, but
This is really beautiful.
yeah.
Guys, this is the place where I'll stay for 3 days now. And this is not outside the city, this is very much in the city. So guys, today we are going to hire a car because there's no other choice. Because there's no public transport here. It's a small city and there are not much tourists. Like, it is a lesser known place, and especially in winters, I think we are the only ones who've come here. So yeah, hire a car. And according to, it's really cheap. We got it for a bargain, the car here. And but the oil prices are really high. Like, Norway is an oil-rich country. It is the 8th largest exporter of oil in the world. But the oil prices are the highest in the world. It's like 120 rupees per liter. Yeah, Norway is an expensive country. So we took our car and we went nowhere and everywhere. Because no matter where we go, it was the right place. It was all that beautiful. Because every wrong turn we took was the right way we went. When you're driving in Lofoten, the landscape keeps on changing every second. And by luck, we came to this Cliff beach, and I still don't know where it is, but it was the best beach I've ever been to. I was so confused. There was mud, there's snow, there are mountains, there's beach. It was -7 degrees Celsius and there was warm Gulf streams, and I was so confused and awestruck at the same time. I don't have much of the pictures of the place because of a hard disk crash, but I'll show you what I've got. Have a look. So we left this beach and we headed towards a hiking place. Lofoten is a well-known hiking place. There are peaks as high as 1200 meters above the sea level. But it's winter, so obviously we can't do that. So we went to a smaller peak, and in search of that we found this really beautiful place.